Model: 2015 Ford Transit Custom 310 L1 front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi ECOnetic long MOT spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 145,482 MOT, the 9th of March 2024 engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCi transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a bottom-end knock. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £6,525. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.